Hey there, YouTube dreamers and hustlers. Are you tired of making videos that don't pay you what you deserve? Well, in today's video, I'm revealing 5 high CPM niches that are crushing it in 2025. These are the niches advertisers are fighting over, and trust me, this could be a game changer for your YouTube journey. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip on how to pick the best niche for you and maximize your CPM. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the details, let me quickly introduce you to TrimSpot Creations. We are a professional YouTube automation agency, and we specialize in taking your YouTube channel to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, we provide video editing, thumbnail designing, script writing, voiceovers. If you're serious about automating your channel and building a brand that stands out, TrimSpot Creations is here to help. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get started. 1. Personal finance and investing. First up, we have personal finance and investing. No surprise here, right? This niche has been a moneymaker for years and is only growing in 2025. Advertisers in this space, banks, fintech companies, and investment apps pay a premium to target an audience that's ready to invest their money. Think about it. Videos about how to save 10K in a year or best stocks to buy in 2025 are gold mines. If you can provide actionable tips or simplify complex topics like crypto or retirement planning, you're in for some serious ad dollars. 2. Technology and gadgets. Next up is technology and gadgets. In 2025, AI, robotics, and wearable tech are booming. Whether it's reviewing the latest iPhone or diving into the world of AI tools, this niche attracts advertisers like Apple, Samsung, and even startup tech companies. Why is this niche so lucrative? Because people looking for tech content are often ready to buy, and advertisers, they love targeting buyers. So if you're a tech enthusiast, now's the time to nerd out on camera and get paid for it. 3. Health and wellness. Moving on to health and wellness. This niche isn't just about fitness anymore. It's about mental health, mindfulness, and healthy living. With so many apps, supplements, and online coaching programs, advertisers are spending big bucks to be in front of health-conscious audiences. Videos like best morning routines for productivity or how to get fit without the gym are not only trending, but also super profitable. Oh, and don't forget about sponsorships. Wellness brands love working with YouTubers. 4. Education and online learning. The 4th high CPM niche is education and online learning. Whether it's teaching coding, language skills, or even how to bake sourdough bread, educational content attracts a wide audience and premium advertisers. Think about platforms like Skillshare, Coursera, and Duolingo. They're not only looking for ad slots, they might even sponsor your channel if your content aligns with theirs. If you're passionate about teaching, this niche is perfect for you. 5. Luxury and lifestyle. Finally, we have luxury and lifestyle. Advertisers in this niche include luxury brands, travel companies, and high-end real estate firms. They're not afraid to spend big to reach audiences who value quality over quantity. Content ideas could be top 10 luxury destinations for 2025, or how to afford designer brands without breaking the bank. If you've got a taste for the finer things in life, this niche can turn your passion into profit. Bonus section, how to choose the right niche. All right, I promised you a bonus, and here it is. Choosing the right niche isn't just about CPM rates, it's about your interests and skills. Think about it. If you love what you're creating, you'll stick with it longer, and your audience will sense that authenticity. Ask yourself, 1. What topics am I passionate about? 2. What skills or knowledge can I share? 3. What kind of audience do I want to attract? And there you have it. 5 high CPM niches to help you make 2025 your most profitable year yet. Which niche are you going to pick? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more tips to grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep hustling, and let's get that ad revenue flowing.